Good morning, friends. This is CA Shaurup Ghosh from Stock Show Day. Now, I was a little bit off for a week because the broadband was down. So we are back, but trading was not stopped. So this is episode number 6. I welcome you all. Now, in this video, I will discuss about the view on Nifty as well as the certain other things which are very, very important for trading. So, stay tuned. On the Nifty part, everybody is bullish on Nifty, but it is deceptive. Why it is deceptive? Now, this is the daily Nifty chart, and if you look at this Nifty, so Nifty is still resisting in these gaps. So unless this gap is crossed convincingly, Nifty cannot be termed as bullish. So therefore it is range bound, and even if we have two three big candles which are bullish, it is not bullish. It has happened due to short covering. So therefore we should not be very, very enthusiastic to buy or to sell. We have to trade with caution. Now if I go to our setup, this is Nifty 5 minutes chart. I will explain the trade which we have taken on Friday, that is yesterday. Throughout the day our setup has actually been indicating a bullish bias. So on 29th it actually gapped down and then started their journey, but we have not got the right entry. We got the right entry at about 1:30 here at this level at 1 o'clock, and where we bought. This is a great signal which has been generated by our automatic system. This is a great signal. So we have bought Nifty at around this level 9,475, and from then on it has reached to 9,589. So 9,475 by 9,585 minus 9,475 is approximately 110 points into 75 rupees, that is 8,250 rupees we have actually earned. And the system clearly gives you a signal. This is a very important candle. You see, this is an X candle, and where you get the alert and then you enter in the trade at this level for a ride of this, and this is a very, 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 very important signal. And once that, before the end of the day I quitted, and this is where I actually closed my trade. So one of the beauty of this entire system is the screener. I will show you how to use screeners. This screener actually screens 26 top Nifty stocks, which covers about 60% of Nifty representation. And this screener gives you every 15 minutes which are the stocks which are going to get momentum, where you can enter, could trade and make quick money. For example, this Zeel and PNB has actually given me a alert at about 15:15, just 15 minutes before the close, and throughout the day it has been giving alerts. So with the screener, how it works is, it will give you 15 minutes alerts, it does its job, and then automatically gets deleted and move on for the next alert. So out of 26 stocks, Zeel and PNB gave big momentum. You look at Zeel at 15:30, our X candle has given an alert. So we waited, and then you get a very, very big signal here. So this alert at 15:15, which has been generated after this double top, has actually given you giving you a very big candle, which can in 15 minutes you can make about how many points. The highest is 184.95 and 182. That means almost 3 rupees into 1700 is your 5100 rupees in one bricks trade, in one candle. And this is a power of this screener. If you look at PNB, both these screeners came around 315. So therefore at 315 it has started riding, and it has given me an X candle here. So in PNB you can enter at 20, you can short sale at 2705, and then you can exit the trade about take 1 rupee at 8300 rupees. So therefore it is more than 1 rupee trade. So this is exactly this screener works, and that actually helps you to really loot money during the running market. So another feature that we have developed, which is basically a feature of divergence. If you do in the divergence, this is actually giving me an example, an alert that the stock is going to now calm down. So this is negative reverse divergence. So negative reverse divergence, once I get the alert here, or this is another divergence system. So this indicator actually gives you advanced indication that now stock is going to go down. Even it is going up, really doesn't matter. So therefore once we get this alert, you should be very, very cautious. And once you get a mixed confusing alert, you should not take the trade. That is, your this signal is giving you a buy, and this signal is giving you sell. Don't do it. Wait for the right moment and look at other parameters which we train, so that you can take a valid trade. And it gives you an alert. You look at in every aspect. Whenever it was going up here, there is a bearish alert. So you wait for the right moment, and then you wait for our opportunity here, and we mix two three certain things. There continues to be an alert. Stock has gone down. Okay, this very well works in 1 hour time frame. But this is how the system has been generated, and this is a brilliant alert that helps you to do a lot of good trades. So friends, today I will also would like to tell you what are the things that we have in our stock for you to decide whatever you can. If you want, you can get these alerts, get these systems at a price. I would like to discuss the courses that we have. Our basic course is the mindset training and the 3-day course, which actually is a regular income mode. I have a few courses where you need very less capital. SS1 is a regular income course, and this is where you actually learn entire system in a summary format. So here we will train candlestick pattern, key candlestick pattern, not the entire one. Trading setup I will give. I will also give you stock right, trading rules, and suitable. This is suitable for intraday trade, and this will cost you 25,000. And this will be taught online, and it's a homework based course, so that I train you properly and give you support so that you can ride on your own. Another course that we have is a regular income mode with capital. This is very, very useful for Nifty and Bank Nifty with weekly expiry, and you can make a lot of money through option strategy. And this is free of delta, gamma, Greek, open interest, and everything. So this course is a 4-day course, and this is a priced course where you can trade with less capital. So this is the cost. I have another course which is for big trades, big income. So if you are away from home, away from if you are not able to sit in front of your PC, so this is the course where you can take, and this is the supreme course which actually trains you how to deal with Fibonacci, and with Fibonacci and Bollinger Bands and an entire price volume deck, everything combined together gives you a very big trade. So there is no point in taking many trades in the month. If you take 2-3 good trades, that you will earn easily 50,000 rupees without any effort and without any headache. So in the another course which you have, which is price action volume without any indicator, candlesticks, Bollinger Band, and gap trading. That is very, very important, because it's a leap year, so you will have many gaps. So we teach the principles of gap trading, and with the setup, it becomes very easy for you to trade. Gap trading course 25,000, and we have this is a very unique course, that in everywhere you will get trap. So therefore, how to identify trap? So for example, I will show you how to identify trap. Obviously, gaps are there everywhere. So if you look at, let's say Zeel. So if this is Zeel chart, now why is it that the stock has reacted at this level? How do you measure that this is a trap? Because how do you measure? So this is basically a line. This is basically a line of support. It breached, and so you thought it has to be sold. No, it's a clear bull trap. So after this downtrend, why is it that it gives a big candle and goes up? So there that is possible to measure, and this is really school stuff. And for example, in this particular case, why is it that the stock has come reacted here? Is it only because that there is a support line or previous resistance? No, because previous resistance, why the stock is reacted? See, these reaction points, these tops can be trapped in advance. These reversals can be trapped in advance. So if you know on a daily chart that this is going to be trapped, and so with our setup, you can easily, without any fear, you can take very safe trade. Here, if you want to learn trap, this is only 2 days program, and believe it, this will be a life changer for you. So bull trap, bear traps is there in any time frame. If it is intraday, if it is daily trade, if it is swing trade, traps are there everywhere. So you should know how to measure trap. And if you measure the trap in advance, then intraday is becoming so easier than it is become a child's game. Also, we'll teach you how to deal with volatility, because this market is very, very volatile, and how to know that it is a crash or a correction. For example, here the stock has come down from this distance. So how will I know at this particular level that this is going to be a crash? It is possible, and this is possible. This is the technique we actually tell our advanced students, so that they are very, very clear. They can take option trading, they can sell one future lot and just keep quiet, and you can ride this trade. This is so powerful. And then we also have developed lot of helpers. This is divergence helper, this is stock screener, this is magic area. So these are we do not sell divergence and magic area separately unless you take this course. This is because if you know the basic course, then only you will understand how the divergence and magic area works. And if somebody is interested to know interested to take only screener, which screens 26 stocks, it is a 1 hour explanation. But if you do not take any course, it can be taken standalone, and the cost would be for standalone is 20,000, and for the guys who have actually taken the basic course, for them it is 10,000. So this is basically the course details, friends. That's all from my side at this moment. If you are interested, you can contact me at in my mobile number 9143091430, and then we can check out. Thank you very much. Thank you for your participation, and be safe. Stay tuned for the next video. This is CA Swarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Bye bye.